Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will guide through the process of cleaning all cache in Windows 11 or Windows 10 to enhance your computer performance and eliminate any potential viruses. By following these steps, you will free up valuable system resources, speed up your device, and ensure a smoother, more secure computing experience. Whether you are dealing with sluggish performance or suspect malware, these tips will help you to get your PC back in top shape. So let's dive in. So before proceeding the video, today's sponsor is MyKeys Shop. So if you're in the marketplace for digital products like Windows CD keys, software, office keys, or games, so you have to check out MyKeys Shop. They offer general products at some of the lowest prices you will find online. Right now you can save even more with my exclusive discount code VD55. Just enter it at checkout to get the extra 55% off for any purchase. MyKey Shop is known for its reliability and exceptional value, so you can shop with confidence. Don't miss this chance to grab top quality products and unbeatable prices. Head over to MyKey Shop today and make the most of it. Alright, so the step number 1 is to run some command on run. So you have to press Windows R in your keyboard, type your temp. Now you have to click on OK. Now you have to simply delete all of the files from this folder. Click on delete. The ones are not deleting, simply close it. Now press Windows R again in your keyboard, type here %temp, simply click on it. And here you have to delete all of the files from this folder. Click on delete. The ones that are not deleting, simply take this, do this for all current item and skip them. Close it. Now press Windows R again in your keyboard, type here prefetch, simply click on it. And here you also have to delete all of the files from this folder. Once you have deleted, simply close it. Now step number 2 is to clean up all the disks in your PC. So you have to go to your search, type here disk cleanup, simply click on it. Now here you will see your disk cleanup. Now I am choosing my local disk C. Now you have to click on OK. Now it is calculating the data. Now the disk cleanup is come. Now here you have to take all of these options. These are all the temporary and caches, files and folders. Once you have you have to clean up system files. Click on local disk C. Now it is calculating the data, so you have to be patient. Now you will get again disk cleanup for local disk C and take all of these options. Once you have you have to click on OK, and all of these files and all of the cache folders will be deleted and you will get some extra space. So once you have done, you have to close it. Now step number 3 is to delete all of the restore point and create a new restore point in your PC. So you have to go to your search, type here create a restore point, simply click on it. Now the system properties will be up. Here you have to click on local disk C, click on configure, and you have to delete all of the restore points. So you have to click on delete, click on continue. Once all the restore point has been deleted, you have to make it 5%. Click on apply, click on OK, and click on create. And I'm naming as clear cache 2024. Once you have created, you have to click on create, and it is creating our restore point. Now once it completed, you have to click on close and close it. Now step number 4 is to run some commands on the CMD. So you have to go to your search, and here you have to type CMD. Now click this run as administrator. Now the first command that you have to type is ipconfig space / flush DNS. Simply hit the enter key. Basically this command removes all DNS cache, which can help you to remove all data which is not needed and speed up loading of web pages. Now the second command that you have to type is sfc space / scan now. Simply hit the enter key. Now this command scans all protected system files and replace any corrupted ones with correct Microsoft versions. So once it completed 100%, you have to simply close it. Now step number 5 is to run MRT in your PC. Basically this run command detects and removes specific malicious software from your PC. So you have to press Windows R in your keyboard, type here MRT. Now click on OK. Now the Microsoft software removal tool will become. Here you have to click on next and take this full scan, that it will scan the entire system and delete any type of virus from your PC. Click on next. Now once this progress will be fully completed, you have to simply close Microsoft removal tool. Now step number 6 is to clear the cache of File Explorer, because it can help you to speed up your Windows and finding files and speeding up the PC. So you have to go to your taskbar. You will see the File Explorer icon. Simply click on it. Now you have to go to View. Now click on Options. Now from the top menu option, click on View and take this Show Hidden Files and Folder and Drives. Click on Apply. Now go to General and you will see Clear File Explorer History. Simply click on Clear. Once you have clicked on Clear, you have to simply close it and close the File Explorer. So guys, thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more techs and tutorials. If you have any question or need further assistance, leave a comment below and I will be happy to help you. Don't forget to share this video with anyone who might find it useful. See you in the next video. Bye.